Latest update on Cyclone Gita, which is approaching the southernmost Fijian islands after it's passed through Tonga overnight. It's 6 AM Fiji time, February 13th. It has winds of 125 miles an hour, pressure 939 millibars by our estimate, makes it a Category 5 on the Australian scale. It's at 21.4 south, 176.9 degrees west, and cyclone warnings remain in effect. Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, Category 5 on the Australian scale. Over the next few days you can see the storm there moving towards Fiji and then turning a little bit towards the south then as we enter Thursday and Friday, and then it goes off the map towards New Caledonia and eventually it will curve to the south again towards New Zealand. But for Fiji it looks like tropical storm conditions are going to be rather likely for the southern part of Fiji over the next few days. Right now there's the wind field. And it's a stage 5 on the CDPS scale, which means that devastation is quite possible if the centre of the storm tracks over you. Hopefully it won't. Cyclone warning in effect for central and southern Tonga still, and for Onoilau and Mataku in Fiji. Cyclone watch for Kadavu and several other islands in the area that we couldn't fit on the screen. So over the next few days you can see what's going on the graphics here, which will hopefully tell you a little bit of what we're expecting over the next few days. You see that the chances of storm conditions in relation to the storm, the southernmost islands of Fiji have the highest chances, but you can see the core of Gita looks like it will remain further south. Let's hope that is indeed the case as we progress through the week. Certainly no indications that the storm is going to make a landfall on any of the Fijian islands at this stage. But it could get a little bit nervy as we get through the later part of the week. Obviously we'll be watching it very closely. Sea surface temperatures will be higher the further north this storm decides to track. 28 or 29 degrees anyway is what we're going to be looking at, which is certainly warm enough to sustain a significant tropical cyclone like this one. Wind shear is marginal at this time, it would appear. Lower amounts to the east, higher bank of wind shear to the storm's northwest and to the south as well, so it's not looking too great for Gita. You can see what happened overnight, how it's passed extremely close to the Tongan Islands, including the capital Nuku'alofa as a Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, delivering winds of around 200 kilometers per hour sustained to the area with higher gusts. The eye has still not come out properly yet, as you can see on the imagery here, but it has been trying for quite some time and it could still do that and intensify further later on today and reach even higher wind speeds. As you can see, maybe a little bit of a west-northwesterly jog there in that latest imagery as well. We'll be watching this storm closely with more updates throughout the day. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which is going to become operational February 15th. You can also find us on YouTube, subscribe if you haven't already, search Force 13, same too on Facebook, like our page, and you can also follow us on Twitter at Force13 is the handle if you want to talk to us there. You can also add our Skype account under the same name and my personal account on Discord, Fool13 at extension 9094 for tropical weather chat.